Watch this video carefully. What do you see? A scene from the movie Top Gun Maverick and the plane being piloted by Tom Cruise? Honestly, not really. Neither the plane is an F-14 nor the pilot is a US one. Then who, why, and what exactly was the reason this video came into being in the first place? On 14th March 2023, a US Air Force MQ Reaper 9 drone was flying over the Black Sea. A pair of Russian origin Sukhoi 27 fighters were following it for not one, not two, nearly 30 to 40 minutes. All on a sudden, a plane flew so dangerously close to the unmanned aircraft and dumped fuel over it that it caused it to plummet down 5,000 feet deep into the Black Sea. Obviously, this being a dreadful incident between two big rivals in the global politics, don't you think there will be a skirmish between them, if not an all-out war? Ladies and gentlemen, let me correct you right there. None of it happened, and nothing indicates that it will happen anytime soon. But why? While the Russian pilots were awarded with state honors after the US government declassified the 42 fateful seconds of the drone, all US did was...
Pentagon, along with Joint Chiefs Chair Mark Milley, well, they said that they will not consider the downing an act of war, but that's enough.
Wait there. It's not like the Americans didn't do anything. Pentagon issued a statement poking the Russians.
The Su-27s dumped fuel on and flew in front of the MQ-9 in a reckless and unprofessional manner. This incident demonstrates a lack of competence in addition to being unsafe and unprofessional.
And even though the incident happened over on international waters, they decided to secure all nearby resources to prevent it from being attacked by the owner of Sukhoi.
They saw what happened to that US drone over the Black Sea, and they're extremely concerned about critical infrastructure among the US's allies here in Europe.
Did you notice something? While all these actions of aggressions and retaliations were going on,
with the Secretary General,
neither side really opened up about what they exactly were doing there in the very first place. Can we ever be certain that US didn't intend to use the drone for attacking purposes, or the Russians did not act out in self-defense and rather tried to create a provocation? Maybe never. However, if you like our today's story, then don't forget to spread this.